People who have mastered self-discipline often start their mornings with intentional habits that set the tone for the day. Here are 6 key morning habits they follow. 1. Wake up at a consistent time. Disciplined individuals maintain a steady wake-up schedule, even on weekends. This helps regulate their circadian rhythm, improving focus, energy, and productivity throughout the day. 2. Avoid the snooze button. They resist the temptation to hit snooze. Instead of delaying their day, they train their minds to take immediate action, reinforcing a mindset of discipline and control over impulses. 3. Engage in physical activity. Whether it's stretching, yoga, a full workout, or a brisk walk, they prioritize movement in the morning. Exercise boosts mood, increases energy, and builds mental resilience. 4. Practice mindfulness or meditation. They take time to center themselves, whether through meditation, deep breathing, or gratitude journaling. This helps them cultivate mental clarity, reduce stress, and approach the day with intentionality. 5. Set priorities for the day. Rather than letting the day control them, they control the day. They review goals, make to-do lists, or visualize their most important tasks, ensuring they stay on track and productive. 6. Maintain a healthy morning routine. This includes hydration, drinking water first thing in the morning, eating a nutritious breakfast, and avoiding distractions like mindless scrolling on social media. They fuel their bodies and minds with purpose. These habits don't just happen overnight, they require commitment and consistency. Which of these habits do you already practice?